Lukasic's meteoric rise to fame. From humble beginnings at Paradise Valley Community College, to viral video maker extraordinaire, to appearances on all the major late-night talk shows.
Derek, you've been called a genius. Were you always a gifted artist?
At first, my drawings were a bit primitive. But I never gave up on my dreams, in spite of a few obstacles.
Well, most gifted artists have obstacles. What demons did you, or do you, have to overcome?
No, nothing really. Inspiration follows me wherever I go. My mother inspired me.
How did she do that?
Go to school.
Well, she encouraged me to choose the right school. So I enrolled at Paradise Valley Community College. At PVCC, I knew I'd receive the special attention I needed to take my art talent to the next level. PVCC offers state-of-the-art facilities and the newest animation software at a fraction of the cost of other learning institutes. Dr. Eric Miller, my animation instructor, taught me what I needed to succeed.
The minute I met Derek, I knew he had what it took to become a successful animator. That's why they call me the Supreme Visionary.
Derek, we have a surprise guest who not only claims that he was the inspiration for your work, but that you blatantly stole his idea. Larry McMillan, come on out!
With the help of extensive reconstructive surgery, medication, psychiatric help, and physical therapy, Derek survived his little bump in the road. Larry McMullen filed a $13.2 million lawsuit. The two settled out of court and are now collaborating on a sequel.
Mortified. You have to like
You know who the...
Larry McMullen, come on out.
No, boobs are right. I don't know. I mean, it's just...
Finger or no finger?
I don't know. You're running toward a chainsaw.
Work, but that you blatantly stole his idea. Larry McMillan, come on out!
What?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!